Hello everyone, my name is Boy. Today I will present the part I was mainly responsible for in our group Java project. Our project is a console-based weather warming system built in Java. Its main features included reading weather data from a field, allowing user to input the city name for section, providing for types of data, temperature, refill, wind speed, and dust level. Analyze the result and outputting resultant warming or subtractions. I divided the project into three key parts. One is data reading. Second is the mail section. Third is analyze. I was responsible for the first two parts and the final project integration. I first created a standard pro, object called the weather warming system to handle the user inputs. I made a global run. Uh, it's load. The load and when the using text, the system acts as a search law to improve usability. Applied it to make the input case insensitive. Second part is mail section. I designed a clean for option mail with this. The temperature, rainfall, wind speed, and dust. The using section select any option, and the system calls the weather mail to read and process the data. The program select each line and checks whether it start with the input the city name, uh, and by using input of and substring, I successfully extracted the connect weather date segment. The accelerated screening is split into the three daily modes, such as 23 June and the temperature is 30, like this. I use the split mail and regular expenses to clean and convert the date into poor normal code values. Then I connected them into the double array and transferred them to different analyze location. Analyze temperature, analyze rain, analyze wind, and analyze dust. Each function included many condition checks and the warning message. Next, I will give the laser dome of the how to stay system works in action. Like this. Uh, you can see the menu. You can choose the one One is the temperature of the major city around the world over the period of the 3 days. Temperature, rainfall, wind space, and that's the level. For example, you can choose the one. You can choose the any city like the New York. They have the New York the temperature. Yes, and you choose the second one. Also the New York. You can write the you can also get the rainfall. Yes, and the second and the fourth is similar like that. When you want to the act, you can you can input the act. You can come back the menu. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Well, hello everyone. We are we are group from tailors. This is my teamwork, and our project is called the weather warning system. It is based on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal (SDG 30). We have created a simple but practical Java console application where user can enter city name and check the weather date for the past 3 days. The information include temperature, rainfall, wind speed, and dust level. We apply the basic object-oriented programming concepts like file handling, arrays, selection structure, and the loops. Also, we added smart warming messenger based on the data analysis to improve user analytics. Now we will walk you through each part of the project, including the future data design and the implementation. Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone, I'm the team member responsible for the data set and the data file design. My name is Guoling, and my student ID is 03795513, like this. Well, our data file is a txt file named weather data txt. For each city, it contains data for 3 days, covering for counting girls, temperature, rainfall, wind speed, and dust level. PM like this. Let me show you how to ring. Select the information you want know the temperature. You kiss one, enter, and select which city, like Beijing. This is 3-day temperature, like this. And then I show you the ring. take case 2. And which city? Tokyo. This is Tokyo ring. And then the Monday, London. This is London Monday speed. And the dust thing. Uh, and dust data use the readable PM 2.5 format. I designed a program to support the different fault for PM 2.5 to make data more realistic. Oh no, this is it. Temperature, rain, windy, but the dust have at first is PM 2.5. So I make a little change. And I will show you dust information, the date. For example, let me say Beijing. This is it. Beijing is the city, and the first is temperature and rain, and this is wind speed, and finally the dust. Almost this is a database. And this is program with a date. This is the file. Well, my contribution is I organized and validate the data formats to ensure that when user enter city name, the program can correctly drive and analyze the data. I also tested different edge cases, such as case insensitive city names and missing data, to make sure the system works smoothly. Well, the data file bring real things and social beauty to our program and reflects our group's effort to supporting SDG 13 action. Well, this is a data file how to enter. And show you dust take 4 also Beijing. The air quality is clean. The Dubai with 4 Dubai also clean, great, like PM 2.5, normal 100. It means the air quality is very clean. Well, that's all. Thank you.
My name is Yusheng, and my student ID is 0384163. And I will introduce the module I'm responsible for. It is using the data that's imported by users to judge future 3 days weather situation. Okay, first let's have a look at this. First command, import Java scanner. This is a import Java scanner class into this module so that we can use the scanner. When the program starts with the main method here, this main method, it will outprint this sentence. Welcome to the normal weather prediction program. And the next line is a method named blank. And here is how this blank method is defined. System will outprint type any keys to continue. It will always happen when after a user finish his input log. This will enhance the interaction between users and systems. The user do not need to read a long output like long text directly. It's very convenient. Let's back to this. This is a while loop, which Boolean condition is settled as a true values. These true values, it allows users to use the program rapidly after launching it only once, instead of opening it or start it over and over again. In this while loop, system will first ask the user to key in a weather index time of these 4: temperature, rain, wind, and dust. And also the case sensitive is important in this command. Okay, this is a string named weather, which will take the input from users, and will also lead to one of these methods and process in this switch statement. Also in this switch statement, the user can also key in exit to directly exit this system. But the users keying the one word, system will give them a warning like this one. Okay, next is the most important 4 methods in this program. First is the temperature method, and rain methods, wind methods, and finally is dust methods. But because some codes are repetitive in these 4 methods, so I will only show one of them here, like this temperature method. First, there is a string array named day to store these 3 days: today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And there will also be a double array named temperature to store the weather index of above 3 days from users. In future, need to key in this 3 weather index. And in the second for loop is an if else statement nested in this loop. For example, let's take a look at this first condition. In first condition, if the weather index keying for these 3 days, it has all reached danger range like this, like their temperature. They all ranged or over 36.8. It is a very big danger range, so the system will directly outprint a warning attention to the users. Instead of going below, system will judge it and outprint the day and the weather condition of this day behind it, like it shows here. Else If systems found the input index they are all in the suitable range, system will directly they ask the users to query other weather index to check if there is other normal weather. Okay, see, this is how these methods start and run, and here I will show how it works. Okay, first it's type any case to continue. Okay, let's type any case, and this is first while loop. So here we choose a ring. We choose a ring here. Key the ring in, and then we need to enter the rainfall of these 3 days. First, today the 100 rainfall. Tomorrow is 200, and this day is 50. Caution, today we'll have heavy rain. It means 100 reached the caution levels, and the tomorrow may have rainstorm. Rainstorm is a dangerous range, cause the system warning output. So the 200 rainfall each day is danger, and last 150 rainfall it is also caution range. So this is how loads work. And next we will test exit process. We enter the EXIT, and then we will exit the one program. So that's it all. Thank you for listening.